Hello boys, it's a Saturday morning. It's 10:23 a.m. Late na kami natulog kahapon, kaya late na rin kami nagising. But it's gonna be a busy weekend. Hindi lang siya 24 hours. It's gonna be a busy weekend. So I'm gonna try again, like I did the last time. I'm gonna try to document every hour if I can.
Every hour, every second.
So I'm checking in 10:20, sabi natin 10:30, pero 10:24 a.m. we're going to the gym. Weird yung program namin today kasi it's abs and arms. Kasi naiwan yung abs nung ginulpi namin yung legs namin nung Thursday. Tapos naiwan yung arms nung ginulpi namin yung upper yesterday. So ngayon, yung mga naiwan yung hahabulin namin. Next week magiging mas maayos yung program namin kasi medyo na-establish na. Wala kasi yung coach na Jen.
Yeah, he's my sub.
So nung etong first few days kasi parang tinry pa namin kung kaya niya mag-isa, kung maaalala niya yung mga tinuro sa kanya. Pero hindi niya naalala, so by the end of the week ako din yung tumulong sa kanya. Pero since na-establish na yon, next week ayusin namin yung program namin in a way na pwede kami magtugma. Hello, gym is done. Gym is done. I already took a bath and iuwi na natin si Madam. Mukha naman siyang masaya.
I have free tumbler.
Asa?
Here. Thanks Starbucks for sponsoring my tumbler. We're near the house.
Near.
We're near the house.
Tayo kita makapasok.
The choo-choo is here.
It's 1:10 and I'm gonna leave my watch to Jen because it's low bat. It's low bat. I failed.
You failed.
You can handle the dogs? Sure? Okay boys, we're going. It's 1:11 and we're going to Pampanga. We're going to elsewhere in Bacolor. Dahil may event sila ngayon, may nagpa-reserve nung rest of our. And they're gonna need manpower kaya punta ako doon para tumulong. And that's where we're going. Di makakasama si Madam kasi may exam siya. She has to study and then take the exam. Titiisin ko na mag-isa yung traffic. Hindi ko na ipapa-experience sa inyo yung traffic. I'll update you when I get there. Okay? Okay, see ya. It's 2:11 p.m. and we are entering NLEX. Okay naman, medyo traffic sa Skyway. Somewhat. Daming sasakyan. Hindi ganun ka-traffic pero maraming sasakyan. Ayan. Let me correct myself. Pero dito na tayo sa NLEX. Toll gate na. See you in a bit. It's 3:03 and nandito na tayo sa San Fernando exit. We're almost there. Daming sasakyan. Ganun pa rin yung comment ko. Hindi naman traffic. Marami lang sasakyan. Okay, just a little bit more and we're there. I'll update you once we're there. Ihing-ihi na ako, boy. Boys, it's 3:31 and we're here. Made it. Hihina ako boy. Baka kailangan nyo ng tulong.
Surprise naman.
Surprise! Nag-aaral, may exam siya mamaya.
Hi, Tito!
Hi!
Saan kayo?
Ako lang.
Ikaw lang? Wala si ate?
Hello, may exam siya.
Me and my girlies, we gon' party till it's early. Got me feeling otherworldly tonight. Caught in some traffic, but the radio was blasting through a red light, and we're saying goodbye. Ooh, like the morning, feel like magic. I got all I need, you know nothing else can beat the way that I feel when I'm dancing with my guys. Perfect energy, yeah we flow, yeah we free. There's no better feeling in the whole wide world tonight. I don't care what's wrong or right. Don't stop blowing up my light. I can't read another fancy night, but nothing comes after.
See you Feb 14. Yeah.
Weekend buyer.
This weekend na ba yun?
Yeah.
Oh. See you this weekend. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Opo, ingat kayo.
Pagka ano kayo oras ka umuwi
Yes. Pahinga na kayo.
Balik na kami dyan.
Opo. Bye. It's showtime. 11:22. We are going home. Sana hindi traffic, pero I'm pretty sure siguro naman ganitong oras wala nang traffic. Biyahe na tayo pa uwi, boys. The event was a success. That was Elsewhere Kitchen and Bar's first event. Except yung birthday ni Chichi kasi technically a family member, diba? But that was their first event and it was a success. And now we go home. North to south. Hindi na ako hindi na ako magmo-montage and all. Hindi ako nagfi-film while driving, of course, kasi mag-isa lang ako. Dati kasi pag nagde-drive ako, pag bumabiyahe kami pa Pampanga, normally kasi kasama ko si Jen, pero this time ako lang mag-isa. So hindi na ako mag-film. Next update ko, kung kaya pa, sa bahay na. Pero pag tulog na si Jen, baka hindi na ako mag-update. Okay, we go home. I'm home. Resting time, I think, unless Madam has plans. Were you sleeping na? Why are you laughing?
What plans?
I don't know, baka gusto mong kumain or something. Okay, sleeping time. See you next update. Hindi ko alam kung mag-gym kami bukas, parang hindi kaya eh. Pero tignan natin. Ano ba, mag-gym ba tayo bukas?
Malay mo, gabi.
Yeah, pwede naman.
Or
Kasi
we can
ganun.
rest.
Our breakfast for today, 4 eggs and 2 slices.
2 slices of bread and egg salad.
Okay. Tsaka chili oil. Joke lang chili oil.
Yung iba ganun ginagawa. They fry the eggs sa pan, tapos lalagyan na ng chili oil. Then that's it.
Really ka diri?
Wala.
Habang piniprito pa?
Yeah, drizzle. It's like garnish na something lang naman.
Should I try?
Yeah.
Likumki.
Mukha naman.
Unfair kasi sa akin kasi kahit anong lagyan ko niya masarap. The rest day today from the gym. Might. Not sure yet. Originally plano namin mag-gym. Pero biglang naisip ni Madam na rest and recover na lang today. And then, possible lumabas. Depende sa ulan. We breakfast first, and then we'll see. We'll see what's gonna happen. Tapos nang pagurin yung dogs. Pinagod na namin yung dogs para kung ano man mangyari. Pagod na sila. They're tired and happy.
Oo, meron pala unom.
Me and my girlies, we gon' party till it's early. Got me feeling otherworldly tonight.
Kaya na masarap na niya gusto kumain. Tapos dito siya nagpunta.
Hindi naman kasi ako.
There's no better feeling in the whole wide world than tonight. I don't care what's wrong or right.
It's 11:20.
And we're home.
What's that?
Pink drink.
Is that healthy?
I think because it has coconut milk and there's no caffeine.
Caffeine.
Ano ba ang caffeine?
Ito na yung mga pinamili namin. Hindi ko alam kung i-haul ko pa. But, I mean, I might, but maybe not tonight. Because it's, as you can see, as you just saw, it's already 11. So maybe we will just relax, feed the dogs, make the dogs play, and then go to sleep. Because tomorrow, you have gym. And with that, the 2024 season... And with that, I'm ending the vlog. That was a busy weekend. I hope you had fun. And I don't know what else to say. But thank you for watching. If you watched, if you didn't, just skip it until here. If you really watched, thank you for watching. See you again next upload. I don't know when. I don't know why. I don't know how. Pag madaldal na ako, ibig sabihin antok na ako. So I'm sleepy as fuck. I'm sleepy. Good night, bitch.